This is class 9th subject English speaking. This is going to be our lecture number 4. Topics to be covered in today's class are, first of all, meanings of some phrases will be told, then idioms shall be explained with the help of example, then some vocabulary words will be told, then the incorrect sentences and correct sentences will be told. Means the sentences which we use are actually incorrect and what are their correct sentences. Then at last, pronunciation of some commonly used words will be told. So, let's begin. First of all, meaning of the phrase. Music to one's ears. Its meaning is something you are pleased to hear about. I repeat, the meaning of music to one's ears. That means something you are pleased to hear about. For example, when I got the news of my startup's funding, it was music to my ears. Means I was pleased to hear about the startup's funding. Next is next of kin. It means a very close family member. I repeat the meaning of next of kin, that is a very close family member. For example, we cannot let you go until we have informed your next to kin. Now, next phrase is over the line. That means beyond what is considered appropriate or acceptable. I repeat the meaning of over the line, that is beyond what is considered appropriate or acceptable. For example, you went over the line in the debate. Now, we shall begin with idioms. Number 1. Everything under the sun. Its meaning, everything that exists or is possible, a great number of things. I repeat the meaning of idiom, everything under the sun. That means everything that exists or is possible, a great number of things. For example, at the meeting, we discussed everything under the sun except sales. Means everything was discussed in the meeting, which whatever was possible, but except sales. Next, have a bone to pick. The meaning of this idiom is to have reasons to quarrel with someone. I repeat, the meaning of the idiom have a bone to pick, it's to have reasons to quarrel with someone. For example, I have a bone to pick with you. Did you eat my cupcake? Next idiom, learn the ropes, means to learn how to do job or activity. I repeat, the meaning of idiom learn the ropes, that is to learn how to do job or activity. For example, once you learn the ropes, this work would take only an hour. This generally happens with us when we learn how to do a particular job or activity. It doesn't take much time to do or accomplish that particular work. So that is learn the ropes. Now we shall begin with some words, that is vocabulary. Number 1. Metal. METTLE. Metal. Its meaning, ability and determination when competing or doing something difficult. For example, the Indian hockey team proved its mettle in the final match. Means Indian hockey team had ability and determination when they thought to compete or to do or to win the match. Next word is pandemic. It's pandemic. See, I'll tell you that here are the words of the year 2020 from three most famous English dictionaries in the world. Even Oxford gave not one but 47 words as the words of the year and quoted, "This was a year which cannot neatly be accommodated in one single word." And we totally agree with their statement. 2020 has been a long year for all of us. So there are some words which had been, the words of the year, and pandemic is one of them. Its meaning, an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affects a significant proportion of the population. I repeat its meaning, an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affects a significant proportion of the population. Next word is quarantine. This was also the word of the year. It means a specific period of time in which a person or animal that has disease or may have one must stay or be kept away from others in order to prevent the spread of the disease. So, you might be aware of these words, but I wanted to tell you the meaning of these words, and also that these words have been the words of the year in 2020. There are other words as well, like vacation or workcation, allyship, workness, walkness. There are some other words as well which have been given the which have been said to be the words of the year 2020. Now, let's begin with the common errors that we generally commit in sentences while speaking or writing. Now, I shall tell you the incorrect sentences as well as their correct sentences. First of all, incorrect. Does she has a car? He has white hairs. What are you discussing about? I have another books. Now, these all are incorrect sentences. Now, I shall tell you their correct ones. In place of does she has a car, it should be does she have a car. He has white hairs. In place of this, it should be he has grey hair. What are you discussing about? In place of this, it should be what are you discussing? I have another books. In place of this, it should be I have other books. Now, the words, pronunciation of some commonly used words. For example, Horizon. It is not horizon, it is horizon. This is horizon. Next word, Colleague. It is not colleague, it's colleague. It's colleague. Next is RIOTS. This is not riots. This is riots. This is riots. Now, I shall tell you the meaning of these three. Colleague means a person that you work with. And in American pronunciation, it is colleague, not colleague or colleague. In American, it is colleague. But in India, or in UK, we pronounce it as colleague. Horizon means the line that we see in the farthest distance where the earth and sky seem to meet. And the last one, riots. Riots means an uncontrolled large group of people behaving in a violent manner. I repeat, an uncontrolled large group of people behaving in a violent manner. This is it for today's class. Now I shall give you the homework. Your homework is to prepare a speech of 1 minute on the topic, the best day of my life. And this speech is to be delivered on date 26th May. So on 26th May, you are supposed to deliver the speech of 1 minute on this topic, the best day of my life. Hope you all have liked this video. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much.